I was watching Offhand Disney, and he talked about the Disney bubble and how like there's areas that are not part of Disney and part of Disney. And it's amazing that Hong Kong Disney starts like all the way on another island because you go on a train that's supposed to like deliver you to this magical world. There's a lot of people here today. All right, we are in Disneyland. Like right at opening. It's weird to me to think that a Disney park opens at 10:30, but hey, stranger things have happened. One thing that I've heard takes a lot of your time here is if you want pictures with the characters, which is a concept that is absurd to me. But you know, other people like to do their own things. Well, there's their castle with a lush mountain behind it, and then the Frozen right behind that, which is currently not open. Woo. And Pluto on Space Mountain. There's already a ton of people in the Emporium. Wow. So I'm kind of used to Tokyo's Disneyland now, and it's weird to see a main street without a big cover over it. But it's also weird to see a main street with a big mountain behind it too. In America, isn't that the Wizard of Oz shop? The original like lingerie shop? I have to get Justin Scar to ask that. I just noticed that there's a Main Street USA at a station, but there's no train. Okay. I've been told this place is small though, so what can you say? I feel like there should be a statue here in front of the castle, but there you go. You can see that it used to be the Sleeping Beauty Castle, but then they added on to it a couple years ago. One Dumbo style ride. Probably better to go on Space Mountain now rather than later, right? 20-minute wait. Oh my goodness. What am I doing here? Hyperspace Mountain, excuse me, not Space Mountain. Loading bay is like right after you get into the building. It's California style Space Mountain rather than Disneyland and... It looks like there was an existing Space Mountain ride and they just rethemed it to Star Wars. Retrofitted Space Mountain, but it was fun. There was a laser blast, like you're being fought off or fighting off TIE fighters and an X-Wing. The battle was happening all around you. I mean, I much prefer Star Tours, but it was still pretty cool. Oh man, look at this. That's cute. They have a whole Marvel area out here. A little different from the areas that are in California Adventure and in France, because this was the first like Marvel area in any Disney theme park. So you got Ant-Man and the Wasp, which is a refitted Buzz Lightyear ride, and you have the Iron Man experience. Let's go check out Iron Man. Iron Man, 10 minutes to wait. Cool. Down. Cool. I'm expecting Star Tours with Iron Man in it.
These are for me, right? They are.喺史達工業呢一度，我哋知道就係我哋嘅目標。香港史達大樓係我哋致力為。
Is that Robert Downey Jr. or Soundwave? I get it though. I like that this is set up like the House of Tomorrow. Red Star Tours with Iron Man.
To aisle, filling in every available seat. All carry-on items must be safely stowed beneath your seats. Storage bins are located under every seat.
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging in with my people. Okay, fine. Wait, what? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
Took you around a tour of Hong Kong, and you were attacked by Hydra soldiers. Everything that you needed to know about this ride was in the queue, hinted at. It might have been in English, so it might be difficult if you don't speak the language, but that was pretty cool. Here we go. Hey man, the Wasp is open. Let's go check it out.
Oh man, this place is literally swarming with these bots.
You know, they're actually called swarm bots, right?
Well, it's a great name for them.
Leslie, we're encountering more of them the deeper we go.
冇錯，蘇雷啲機械蟲不斷由地底轉緊入嚟貨。蘇雷入侵咗我哋嘅通訊網絡，依家
Tony Stark, so much like your father. Zola, looking as incorporeal as ever.
There's the bad guy here too.
Intel shows Zola is inside one of the bots controlling the rest of the hive.
If we can find that bot and destroy it, it should shut down all the others.
Great plan. That makes about 1,000 bots.
This one.
Look, there's only one bot we care about. The one Zola's in.
On it. Hey, quick, Leslie, look for frequency phase shifts in the swarm bots communications network. They'll point you to Zola.
收到 admin 已經揾緊。
Phase shifts are only part of it. Run an asymmetric algorithm to ID the relative.
Every box will get spot exposed when it opens.
Everyone, we need to move to the small.
Blast that hive bomb.
For a retheme of Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blasters, great ride, fun. You can see everyone's like adapted to what is the normal. Everyone's hanging in the shade. There's all this wide open area, but everyone's in the shade. Let's give it a shot. Small world, the big mountain behind it. Right next to the front of It's a Small World is the entrance to Eredale, the Frozen Kingdom, which is opening like in a couple of months. But 5-minute wait inside doesn't sound bad to me. Ladies and gentlemen, the strangest queue in the world.
在座位上坐好，请将您的胳膊和您的腿脚
Oh my god. That was like the best versions of Small World. Like it wasn't a long version, but it was like the condensed version of Small World with some interesting additions. Haven't seen this movie. Why build one big castle when you can have a small castle? There you go, folks. Little mermaid over here. Cute. You can barely see it. Like there's a bush or something in the way. 2 Dumbo style rides. There's Winnie the Pooh. I think this is like the Florida version, I believe. Oh, they have the carousel, but there's also a sword in the stone, but you wouldn't know it's there because it's being used as a holder. Now, I believe that this was the extension that they made to make Hong Kong Disneyland bigger. And it looks like we're in Toy Story Land right now because these are supposed to be blades of grass, I think. Yep, there we are.
All the toys are ready to play. Slinky, RC, Rex, Sarge, and the toy soldiers. So come on and have some fun.
There he is right there. This is pretty cute. Oh man, this is like the hottest part of the park so far. It is warm as heck.
And please, for your safety, remain seated and keep your hands on the wheel.
We are Papa Delta at 1600.
Hello there. My name is Rex. I do hope you have fun playing outside with all the toys. Slinky Dog says he might even catch his tail today.
That's cute. That's cute. This is the ride they say is worth coming to Hong Kong Disneyland for. Mystic Manor, the Haunted Mansion of Hong Kong Disneyland. 45 minutes, I'll do it. See her riding Typhoon Lagoon? Danny Elfman? It is Danny Elfman. He wrote the music to this place. I think I know a little bit about this ride, but I like that it's pretty much spelled out for you if you look for it in the queue. Almost every ride is out here.
I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and rather mischievous partner.
Oh, they all going in different ways. That's so cool. Oh, it's awesome. So far, that is the standout attraction of this park. That was fantastic. That was amazing. Hands down though, this is the best attraction I have seen in a Disney park recently. I really, really enjoyed this for what it was. It is an excellent revitalization of the Haunted Mansion. You can even see Haunted Mansion references in this ride. I would highly recommend doing this ride if you're in Hong Kong Disney. I did 3 times. It's awesome. What's a Disneyland park without a Western Ho American style area? Oh, people's blowing. Oh yeah, that's what this park desperately needs, water areas. It is hotter than heck here, guys. This looks like so much fun. Oh, it goes backwards. I guess I shouldn't have looked. Oh my goodness. I waited all day to go on this ride because the line scared me. It was like 45 minutes. I waited an hour and it was good. This might be the best version of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad I've ever been on. Let me just argue that that lift hill right there is the greatest Disney trick I have ever seen. As you're going up the thing, it looks like a absolutely normal lift hill. You would have no idea that there's any problems while you're going up. And then you make it to the top and it starts shaking, like the thing starts shaking on you. Up there, the cord goes out and then you go backwards. It's the scariest thing because it looks like it's water and you go backwards to the thing. It's incredible. I also appreciate there are 2 switchbacks. You go in and out through one way. It's fantastic. This ride is great. And there's great animatronics on it too. There's 4 fantastic bears that you can see. Let's give it a shot. Jungle Cruise. They actually group you by if you can speak Cantonese, Mandarin, or English.
Wow, it's moving so dirty.
I think that's everything. And there you go, folks. That's Hong Kong Disneyland, everybody. So this park is small, but it packs enough punch that you could spend a whole day here easily. The only reason I'm not staying until close is because I just don't care to see fireworks. And I'm taking the train home, and everyone else is going to be on that train too. And I just don't care to stick around that long. I've heard people say that you need 2 days to this park. Absolutely not. Unless you're here to do all the shows and see every single character, you only need a day at best to see everything here. Now, I'm on a busier day this summer right now. It's hotter than heck, so drink a lot of water while you're here. But if you do come to Hong Kong Disney and you really like, oh, I don't want to wait in line, you can pay to skip those lines. But the longest wait I had to wait was an hour. Everything else was like 30-40 minutes. Mystic Manor may be the best attraction that I saw at this park. The Marvel stuff was cool. Everything was very fun and serviceable. If you were in Asia and you wanted to go to one Disney park, Disney Sea is probably the park to go to, or Tokyo Disneyland. This place is nice, but it doesn't hold a candle compared to those parks. I think you can do more at Tokyo Disneyland, but still good variety here and a lot of IPs. Thank you for joining me in this trip to Hong Kong Disneyland, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and you know, stay good out there. Stay groovy. Bye. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you are interested in full POVs of rides, feel free to check out my YouTube channel because you will find them there. Until later, bye.